Je, unamjua mkewe kasisi Pastor Apostle James Maina Ng'ang'a? Leo tunakuletea kisa na story kuhusiana na mkewe James Maina Ng'ang'a, ambaye kulingana na wengi, Ng'ang'a ana umri ambao unampiku bibie mara mbili ya umri wake. I mean, he is double the age of his wife and his current wife. Today, we bring to you the story of Pastor Nganga's beautiful wife, who is half his age. Lois Murugi Ng'ang'a is the name of the lovely lady. She is the second wife of controversial preacher James Maina Ng'ang'a, the owner and founder of the prominent Neno Evangelistic Church. He married her after his first wife died mysteriously in the year 2012. The couple married at the Windsor Hotel and Country Club in Nairobi County. They are the parents of 3 children. The fascinating thing about Lois is that she is twice her husband's age. When questioned why he married a relatively young lady in an interview, Ng'ang'a stated that he wanted someone to share life with in his old age. He married her when she was still in college, and she was actually the daughter of one of his church members. Their marriage has not been easy, but they are still together, and Lois serves in the church as an apostle and assistant to her husband in administering the gospel. Now, Lois is an epitome of beauty, and the pastor is always overprotective of her. Now, if you look at the pictures, utakubaliana na mimi, Ng'ang'a he has every reason ya kumpigania mkewe bado. Hapa ni pale tunaimba mali safi chito. We mali safi chito. Katika harusi ya Pastor Maina Ng'ang'a na Lois Murugi, inaaminika ilipata kuhudhuriwa wakati yule na aliyekuwa alikuwa naibu wa rais, ama niseme makamu wa rais, Kalonzo Musyoka, na pamoja na viongozi wengi sana katika serikali walihudhuria harusi ile, ama kuunganishwa kwa Pastor Maina Ng'ang'a na mkewe Lois Murugi. She's a wonderful woman, an epitome of beauty, as we have said, and Ng'ang'a has everything figured out for his wife. Mumutukane, mwambie, lakini kitu kizuri na komanda ni ati komanda, unajua upumbavu yote mtakayo usema yeye anakuanga tu, mulete museme msiseme, he has to move on with life. That's the best thing about the commander, man. Now that's what's up. Make sure una subscribe. I see you in the next video. Usisahau ini FM show. Mimi niite FK Mwenda.